Hey traders. Oh, took a drink of water at the wrong time. How you doing? I'm looking at the chart and it's come off, right? Prices dropping down. Where we left off this morning was up here. And here's my blue dot. I wanted to retest so I could get the action going up. It didn't happen. So I made a couple markings and then price started to move. A little after 7. Drops off, big zoom, big impulse down. It breaks through the potential or the buyers on this side. So these guys all got wiped out. And then when I started thinking about myself, I look at what happened over here and I say, okay, well, there's a handful of things. And I've got a nice big top, it launches from here at the base, fires up and reaches up for these orders. But it never gives me the retest I'm looking for. So I don't take it. Retest comes over here. Actually, I didn't take this one. I was in a meeting today. Stop would be up here. I realize it's hindsight. I don't want to hear about it. Or if you're nervous about, you can put it here. You could be up above something. I like to box these little things out and say, okay, well, what does it have to beat? Because there's orders right here, right? There's orders. See this action in here? These guys firing up. They wiped them out hard because there were sellers right here, right? And the buyers just went blowing right through them. So I'll hide my stops sometimes. Let me just steal this here. Like right behind some piece of structure. Unless it's, big structure. But look, you got the setup, right? Step 1, impulse leg. Step 2, shelf. Step 3, breaks the shelf. This is like the whole wash right here. Have a couple of retests, but they don't bounce off of this. Doesn't start yet. Now it's started. This one even poked the bear, or the guy poked the bear, poked the guys on the bottom. And then it does its little dance, blows through them again. So, like I said, if your orders are right on this line, if your orders are on this line here and it hit, you got to go through this whole thing. All right, we don't know that this is going to happen. But you're smart. You protect yourself. Or you just size down and just go for a longer, where does that put us down into here? You would have made your money. So that's one setup that worked. We have the impulse leg down here. This is weird. I was just drawing some ideas, but it's got some similar, the pop shelf, the retest, but this doesn't really qualify as a wash to me. And then you can see like there's orders right behind it, and all they did is jump up and bought it. And remember, a lot of this is being run by machines now. Guys like you and I are just hanging out at our desks, trading on the side, making a little money, making a living, however you do it. But then another one popped up. Right, we got the zoom down. This isn't as clean as I like it. There's really no shelf, but you have a nice wash of all this business here. This guy got popped, this guy got popped, and you have the retest. It's like a not the cleanest one, but it definitely will play. And you're waiting for your money down here. And then I just saw this little guy show up just a few minutes ago as I was reading the chart. You have a zoom bar, step 1, step 2, shelf, step 3, wash, step 4, retest, step 5, enter. And your stop is behind the wash. And now you're just, going through this. But this is a kill zone from far away. Now or a pressure cooker. Now I look at this and I don't fall in love with it, because if I start thinking about, well, this is this, then that is that, then I'm totally screwed. I lose my connection over here. I just want to be aware that the sun's going down and it's going to get dark soon. If you know what I'm saying, like you have to start thinking, okay, let's make sure these things are really clean. It's 11:45 in the afternoon. I'm certainly not in on anything, but I'm still just reading the market because I'm connected to it, and I want to see it play out, for better or for worse. I'm hesitant to even draw any lines. You can do an Andrews pitchfork from here, and all that does is tell you the middle. It hasn't crossed this line yet. If this comes up out of here and starts giving you some action, you might start thinking about. See, and that's the other thing, is that's